Hello, Calvin.
Hello, Ethan.
Hello, what you got there?
I have got another BLT from the kitchen.
You like
From
them?
Charles Caff. I love a BLT, especially a baguettes. Today is going to be a bit of a different day. We are off to Newhall and we're going to see the VL window guys who fitted the windows at Brad's house, and we are going to go and do some how-to guides. So I'm going to document the day and just show a bit of the boys because they're quite funny, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
They are quite
Shoz
funny.
is a laugh.
Shoz is a laugh, Matt's a laugh, you've got Ads there and little Josh. So yeah, we're going to head to Newport, about an hour's drive, and it give me a chance to drink my coffee
Lovely.
while I'm driving.
Cheers, Calv.
Cheers.
What you doing, Calv?
We're here, we're at the job with Matty L from VL Windows, and I've got a gilet on.
Yes.
So we're doing how-to.
You got a big
guys.
sign behind you.
This is our van.
Lovely.
This is our van. So yeah, we've come to the job. We've just smashed out a couple of how-to guides, and I'm stepping in to do a how-to guide. And we've also got a glass delivery as well. We'll go up here. We're going to see Matty.
So have you got a new job?
The boy spoke about Matt on the radio earlier as well. He was on a date the other day and he got all shy and forgot the girl's name.
Hey, well,
This is Matthew. Yeah, I'm back glazing, mate.
Nice. So you just take him for a delivery, yeah?
This is weird. This is what I used to do for a job.
Very nice.
Not delivery man, but... Thank you very much. Cheers. Hey?
That's a toughened bit.
Yeah. This is toughened glass. Do not dink it on the corner because it will explode.
What does toughened mean?
Toughened, it needs to be processed, so if you do break it, it goes into like 1,000 pieces. Do you know, like a bus shelter or a phone box?
Yeah. If it cracked and you fell through a cracked unit, you'd think it sliced you open as you fell through it, yeah? Mm-hmm. The idea is when you hit one of them, yeah, it probably is going to still hurt, but it won't slice you open. You'll just have loads of little prickles.
Right.
You've got toughened. Years ago, car windscreens used to be made out of toughened, and obviously people would go straight through it. Now they're like laminated glass, which is glass with a laminated sheet in the middle, and then glass the other side of it. So you've got toughened,
So it will stick together.
float, which is normal glass, and then you got laminated,
Very
which is normally
intriguing.
6.4 lam. But there you go. I've got a crack on anyway. I've got some windows for them.
Can I see your hair?
I had to have it cut up because it didn't look right. It didn't look.
Kelvin Leslie, please stand up.
Oh, hello, mate. What time do you call this?
Hello, mate.
Oh, hello, mate. Nice to see you. We've had him doing all the how-to guides.
What's that?
You here to do some how-to guides, mate?
No.
Yes, you are.
Oh, yeah,
yes,
yeah.
Lovely. Thank you.
And the systems in there. So just make sure you take the handle to a supplier, or you let the people know who are supplying the handles. And then to obviously put it back on, nice and easy. Put the spindle back into the mechanism. Like so, I would do the top screw first on the way back in. And the bottom screw. Don't over tighten these screws. If you over tighten these screws, it goes tight on the mech and it impacts the use of the window. So if you do put it back on, it's really tight on the handle. Just loosen the screws off a little bit. And once they're loosened, it should be nice and smooth to use the window. The window was already locked, and I put it on open. No, can we cut that and go back, or is it not going to start again? I'll tell you
What just happened? Sorry, I wasn't pressing record that time.
So, I'm guessing he's
The window was locked when I closed the handle.
Oh no.
So when I opened it, it was locked. But I put it back on open to show you, and so the handle opened up. Out of the way. Out. Is this the uncut version?
Yeah, exactly.